Hello my students, fourth grade, how are you today? Welcome again in Hadi Al Mohammad schools. Today's lesson is lesson 4 grammar, and you need to open your workbox page 85. And we have an outcome for today. Use will, want for future predictions. My students, open your workbox page 85. Exercise number 1. Look and read the sentences, then write T, true, or F, false. As you can see here, we have two pictures. The first picture is about a plant, and the second picture is about baby bird. Now we have the first 4 sentences which are about this plant. Number 1. It'll need the sun and water to live. Excellent. This is true about the plant. Number 2. It won't have leaves. It won't have leaves. Excellent. This is false about a plant because a plant will have leaves. Number 3. It'll grow bigger. It'll grow bigger. Yes, excellent. This is true about this plant, that it will grow bigger and bigger. So this sentence is true. Here we have to write true. Number 4. It won't fly away. Won't. Excellent. Also, this is true about this plant because it won't fly away. So here we have also to write true. Now move to the sentences about baby birds. Here we have baby birds, and we have sentences from 5 to 8, and we have to answer them according to the baby birds. Number 5. They'll need food and water to live. Yes, baby birds will need food and water to live. So this is true. Here we have to write true. Number 6. They want to grow bigger. They want to grow bigger. No, this is false about baby birds. So here we have to write F because this sentence false about baby birds. Number 7. They'll grow fur. No, this is not true about baby birds. So here we have to write F, false. And number 8. They'll fly away. Excellent. Also, this is true about baby bird. Now move to the next activity. Write sentences about the life cycle of a ladybird. Here, my students, you have to write sentences about the life cycle of a ladybird. And look here, if we have a cross, we have to use want, and if we have tick, we have to use will. First of all, a ladybird, here we have to use want. In this slash, we have to write want. A ladybird won't come out of the egg. And the next part of the sentence, a larva will, here you have to write will come out of the egg. Now let's move to the next one. Here we have cross and we have to use want. Firstly, we have to begin with the larva. The larva won't change into a yellow ladybird. The larva won't change into a yellow ladybird. This is the first sentence, and we have to complete with by using will. It will change into a pupa. It will change into a pupa. Now move to the third one. Here we have a cross and we have to use want. The ladybird won't stay yellow. It'll become red with a black spots. So the first sentence by using want, and the second sentence by using will. Now please move to number 4. The ladybird won't have babies. The ladybird won't have babies. And the next sentence, it'll lay eggs. It'll lay eggs. My students now move to the next activity and the third activity. Look at the pictures and write about what will or won't happen. Look at these pictures. This is a frog's egg. The first picture here is a frog's egg. بيضة الضفدع. After that, a frog won't come out of the egg. الفروغ ليست هي التي تأتي بالبيض. So this is won't because we are talking about a frog. tadpole وهو شرغوف فرخ الضفدع will come out of the egg. هو الذي يأتي بالبيض. A tadpole will come out of the egg. So here we have to write will. It, and here we have a space and we have to use will or want. It'll grow legs. It'll grow legs. As you can see here we have legs. So here we have to write will. It'll grow legs. Here we have to write will. And it into a frog. Also here we have to write will with grow. It'll grow into a frog. بعد ذلك تنمو لتصبح ضفدع. Here we have to write will grow. It'll grow into a frog. The frog lay eggs. After that, the frog will lay eggs. Here we have to write will. Now look at the second picture, which is about a hen's egg. This is a hen's egg. Now we have to complete as the same way. A hens won't come out of the egg. This is the second sentence. Here we have to write a hens won't come out of the egg. A chick will come out of the egg. Here we have to write a chick. Now look at this page. We can say it'll grow feathers. It'll grow feathers. Then it'll grow into a hen. And the last stage here we have we can write then the hen will lay eggs. Then the hen will lay eggs. So here we have to complete this stage. Now let us read these stages again. This is a hen's egg. After that, a hen won't come out of the egg. After that, a chick will come out of the egg, which is a chick. And it'll grow feathers. As you can see in this stage, we have feathers. Then it'll grow into a hen. Finally, then the hen will lay eggs. My students, that's all about using will and want to talk about productions in the future. Thank you very much and see you next class. Goodbye.